Business continuity is a challenge facing many businesses. The failure of a server would be an expensive accident for your business. The process to bring your system back running again requires time, and you will lose all your potential earnings and customers to your competitors during this waiting period. Conventional backup and restore processes just don't cut it anymore. Stop all this from happening by subscribing to NuRecovery, the best insurance you can have for your critical data and business. This means you are always prepared for the worst, and we are able to deliver a working server to you in the event of a server failure. If something goes terribly wrong with your server, we will loan you a server with the latest image installed to bring your business back running while your original server is being replaced or repaired. No hassle, shorter downtime, and faster recovery. Stay prepared and avoid the most expensive failure. Let Nucleo Consulting help you with our perfect disaster recovery plan, NuRecovery. Contact us now at nucleoconsulting.com.